We're going to walk into the furnace room. It's dark, so I'll just wait until I turn the light on. Oh, we have a little bit of light they left on. This is the furnace room. This room was freshly painted when I moved out. I'm just lost for words. The basement has water. Don't know why. They're almost tearing the place apart. Unbelievable for someone to have this much. Now we're going to go into the back section. Again, sorry there's no light, but I do my best here. Now this is what's left. He's already taken 2 loads with a U-Haul. Sorry. This is the sump pump. You can see it was disconnected for some reason. I believe they were actually making or cooking coke down here. That light was turned on, left on. Someone's sitting on a milk crate. There's a little work table. So yeah, these videos show what's left in the building after him taking 2 loads with a U-Haul. We're gonna go upstairs. At least it's locked. Okay.